Yeah, I was like, wait, I don't know about you guys, but I do this. Hey there everyone, it's Helen. We have our holiday savings event coming up, and of course that means that we have all of our gift sets coming out, and I haven't even gotten a chance to see these, so this is just a really nice sneak peek of some of our best gifts that will be available during this event. So if you're a Rouge, a VIB, or Insider, check out the details below, and let's get started. All right, first things first, Sephora collection. This is such a classic. This is the Advent calendar from Sephora collection, and I mean, it does not get any better than this. You have 24 gifts to open, and it's called Wishing You, and that's because I'm wishing you would gift it to me. But I'm really obsessed. I just think this is, first of all, the cutest little packaging, and you have something new to open every single day, so you can have a nice holiday countdown. I love a gift every day. I'm a gifting person. Which one should I open, you guys?
4, 7.
All right, 4 and 7. Let's do it. All right, day 4. A sparkly eyeshadow. So this is our colorful eyeshadow in No Place Like Home. It's a beautiful shimmery shade, so great for any of your holiday looks. All right, next up is number 7. Ah, so cute. It's a little mirror. So that's so perfect. You can just stick it in your pocket and you can check yourself out anytime you want. I feel like this is an amazing gift. I mean, if you want to give it to me, please do, but I do feel like this would be a great gift for my sister. She's just so impatient when it comes to the holidays. She wants to open all her gifts right away, so this is a great one to just tide her over every single day. New gift. All right, let's get into the next one. Tatcha. This is their Dewy Skin Essentials. This is gonna be such beautiful packaging, you guys, and this is probably perfect for anybody who is dry in your life. My mom, she's got dry humor and dry skin, so this would be great for her. Oh, so beautiful. What's really handy is that you have like travel sizes of a face wash as well as their Dewy serum, and then this is the full size of the Dewy skin cream, and it's just such an elevated product. It even has its own scooper. Very chic. This is such an amazing gift, and it is going to make me the favorite daughter. All right, what's next? Ilia, the eye set. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing this mascara right now. This is a full-size Limitless Lash Mascara in here. They also have their eyeliner as well as their eye tints. So again, amazing for any holiday party. The packaging is so stunning. It's great for the minimalist in your life, but I do feel like my best friend would absolutely love these. You get a full eye look, and it's just such a great gift. All right, I am already excited about this. I can see what it is. So this is our Sephora Favorites perfume sampler, and people go bananas over this, myself included. So basically you get to try all of your favorite fragrances, all the top sellers, and then you get to redeem it for a full-size one when you pick your favorite one. So this is an amazing gift to give to that like perfume collector in your life. I know Natasha on our team, she loves to wear a new fragrance every day, different mood, different fragrance. So this is a great way to try something new every single day and get a full-size fragrance once you find your perfect one. All right, the biggest is last. Oh my gosh, this has some serious heft to it. This is the Orbe Goldlust Leader set. Oh my gosh. This is such beautiful packaging. Whoa. Look at these bad boys. This is the Orbe Goldlust Repair and Restore Shampoo and Conditioner. This is amazing. This shampoo and conditioner is great for anybody who likes to dye their hair or maybe lift weights in the shower. This is amazing. I mean, look at how much product you're getting. And the packaging is so beautiful. You want to give this to somebody that you really love. I hope my husband's watching. And as a reminder, the details for the event are below, and these gifts are so incredible that they will sell out, so don't come for me in the comments. When they do, happy shopping, everyone. May the sale be ever in your favor.